Let's see, y'all can see what's going on here a little bit better. Got it off that old tripod. Look here. This is what I'm doing this morning. So I got both of them, both my single burners out here on my grill. Biscuits. Some of them are a little toasty, but they good. Ain't nothing wrong with them. Good eating little biscuit. Got my coffee. So I got it heating in that pan with some water. Just what I come in here with. That old Boy Scout mess kit I got right there. In my biscuit maker. Commonly called an omelet pan. I hope y'all enjoy this little ditty. But that's a quick breakfast this morning. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Hot biscuit. Well, look at them old woods. They're pretty this morning. Looking down there, start the creek. I just don't know what to say. The Lord has blessed me. Certainly has. Look at that. Starting a green, boys getting green. Jungle out here. Anyway, I'm gonna do a part 2 in a minute and show you my sleeping setup back here with the mosquito bar and everything. But I wanted y'all to see about this grill and just how handy it is. That's some excessive weight when you're packing, but it's worth every ounce. Because you can take them 2 1-burners and you got a pretty good stove right here. You know what I mean, fam? Anyway, to be continued here in a minute, gentlemen and ladies. Thank y'all for watching. From the woods, I'm gonna finish eating my breakfast. Do me one more biscuit. One of the good old toasty biscuits. That's my favorite kind right there. Man, that's good. There ain't nothing like that. Hot bread in the woods, baby. I just can't believe. Just the John Brown. Well, what y'all think? Y'all good with this? Cause I am. They're a little crusty. Yeah, I kind of slip at the wheel on this one, I guess. What I don't eat, the birds eat. I want to thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna pour me my last cup of coffee here. Going back my rat tail. Yes, I recommend grand biscuits in the morning. And the old Pillsbury don't pay me a dime. But when it comes to canned biscuits, you ain't gonna beat Granny's biscuits every time. Thanks y'all for watching. To be continued.